Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly screencast video. I have reviewed all of the topic proposals. I've offered some feedback, some ways to shape or focus a particular topic. I will monitor these as they move forward, taking a look at the sources and the direction of that particular research topic. I have gone through all of those. If you have any questions or issues about my comments or direction that I have offered regarding your particular topic, please send me an email sooner rather than later. So you can, well, so both of us then could be on the same page on that. So as I notice here, I just want to point out that this week and next week, I've kind of reduced the discussion board activity. I make a warning about the annotated bibliography not being a easy assignment to do at the last minute. So procrastination, I have a hard time saying that word, procrastination is just not your friend. So we only have one discussion board this week. Let me get the content and get to the week number 6 and 7. All right, so what we have here, now remember, discussion board 7 is coming up. So this week, what is a good source is our next one that everybody should be working on this week. Just to give you some background information on how to look at sources and respond to this particular reading. It's kind of a reading check assignment, all right? So remember, I just want to point out to you all the resources that we have in the course unit. Library sources, many links and videos. The Google Tips video is very good about finding source material. The library database videos are very good. You can certainly speed those up and work through those particular videos to help you obtain some library sources there that might be a requirement in the annotated bibliography. Also, we have a lot of other instructions here up in the, not instructions, but resources up in the readings and resources and activities. Now, just remember, you've got not only the Google Tips again, but also database searching link again, the Purdue OWL and the quote sandwich video and the MLA citation using EasyBib. All of these videos are credible sources in the way of helping you develop your particular annotated bibliography as we move forward. So once again, I just want to point out that everybody should be reading this particular assignment instructions. Probably midweek might have a little bit more of a directed midweek check-in with some tips and hints on the annotated, because that'll be the next big assignment. If you can look at these 3 different examples, I'll show you the depth and the breadth of this particular assignments and my expectations. All righty. So remember, it's due on March 29th. Just want to point out the basics of where we're going. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.